It's June 28th, 2021. Deer season's right around the corner, and we're actually headed to a hog hunt right now. We try to stay as fresh as we can, and we shoot during the all season, but it's good to just go out there and draw some blood every now and then and put some extra meat in the freezer. So we're actually going to an outfitter. None of our properties have any hogs on them, which is a blessing as well. Yeah, but we also don't have anywhere to kill any hogs as well either when we want to. So we're going to an outfitter. It's called Tiger Island Outfitters. We're going to meet our guide Billy right now. He's going to put us on some hogs, and said he's got plenty of double setups and everything. It was one of the most cost-effective hunts that I could find in the whole north side of Florida, really. Yep. So we're going to do that. And also wanted to give you an update on the channel and what we're doing. I know we don't put out a lot of videos. Normally, if you see, 4 or 5 videos from us a year,
pretty much we're doing when we kill a good deer or something.
Right.
We'll get it on.
But we're starting to take it more seriously. We've just updated most of our camera gear, updated our software for editing, all that stuff. Going to try to make it look more professional. We've got almost 1,000 subscribers right now, and this is just something we're doing for fun, putting out 4 videos a year of just nothing hunting. So just wanted to give you that info too. And we're also looking for a logo as well.
Yeah, we're looking for a new logo, something that's a little more brandable. We're going to stay with Dominion Outdoors, but just trying to turn that into something that, just more brandable. But yeah, I mean, we're headed down here, going to try to get on some hogs, get some more content. And if y'all have any ideas or any content you'd like to see us make, any, maybe product reviews or anything like that, just drop it down in the comments. Yeah, we'll try to get to some of those for sure.
Yeah, absolutely. And on the logo as well, we're looking for anybody that's good with stuff like that. If you're creative, you know how to do that stuff on the computer, we're willing to pay for it if we like it and we use it. So if you are good with that stuff, I'll leave my email in the description. You can email them to us. We'll take a look at them. If we like them, like I said, we'll pay you for them. We don't care. We try to do it on our own. We just are not that creative, apparently. We're good at killing, but we're not good at making logos. But yeah, we'll be here in about an hour, so we'll see you guys when we get in the stand.
Man. Y'all stay tuned.
One of us already got their service over here. We might just have to grab our bows and start walking and shoot what we see. And then just let him know. Hey, Billy, it's Tyler.
At the tone, please record your message. When you finish recording, you may hang up or...
Give the people what they want, Tyler. Give them what they want.
What they want?
Yeah.
They want to see some bloodshed. We're about to shed some right here.
That's right.
Alright, we just got in here and got set up. We just got us dropped off and poured some corn out around us. And as you can see, the rain decided to come around when we got set up, but I think the rain's going to get them moving pretty good. As soon as this stops, I think we'll probably start getting some action. He acted like we wouldn't even really need to move. He said there's just a pile of hogs in here, so I'm going to shoot one. Me and Trey will switch up real quick, and then I'll grab the camera, he'll get his bow, and hopefully we'll get 2 pigs down real quick. So stay tuned, there's some action on the way.
Alright, well, we had our first group of hogs come in. They all came in at once. There was probably, I don't know, 15 or 20 of them. But they were just too bunched up. We couldn't get on them at the same time. And I didn't want to risk shooting one and then hit another one and then have to deal with all that. So they kind of eased off, but I just seen another one a little deeper in right here, like maybe a bigger hog. So we're going to sit tight. They should come back in here for too long. We didn't spook them off. They never knew we were in the world. They just kind of kept on easing on them. So we'll see what happens. Whatever you want to do. if you're gonna shoot one of them, I'm gonna pan over there. That's a sow right there, ain't it? The black one. Yeah. Okay. Once they eat that up, they're gone. Tell me which one. The close one. The one in the back. The one in the very back, or which one? Okay. The one, yeah. That one in the middle is brown. Or the one in the back. The one in the back's the biggest one. You can, okay. You can shoot him quartering away right there. One in the middle, right? Gotcha. Alright, let her ride. Yep. Ooh. That's trouble right there.
You didn't see the blood.
No, I was looking at the camera.
He went out of here leaking, son. Leaking. Hey. I mean, he was leaking. That was sick. That was sick, dude. 11 yards.
Alright, we just got out of the stand. I watched mine drop. You couldn't see it from the camera angle, but mine's right over here. Trey's, I heard him pile up over here, so we're gonna go to mine first. I don't know why we're still whispering. We're gonna go to mine first though, check mine out, and then we're gonna circle back, get on the blood. We'll follow the blood to his. See what we got. I think I shot mine right here somewhere. Look at the blood right here. Hey, you want to see something cool?
What's that?
Alright, you see the blood, see where we shot him? Pan right here. That's mine right here. Take a few steps back right here. That's yours right here.
Oh yeah, let's go look at yours.
Hey, them Grim Reapers are bad, ain't they, son?
They don't play. They do not play.
That's where yours was leaking, I think.
Leaking. I know as soon as mine jumped over that log, he started pouring.
Son, look at the flies on that joker already. I ain't never killed a brown one.
No.
That Grim Reaper bogged on up in him, didn't it?
Yeah. Go ahead,
Take a look at yours.
put your hands on him, son.
Buddy, I don't even want to touch that mother. Look at all the flies on that joker. We'll come back with we'll go grab him and we'll help him load him up.
Alright.
We got him a few little cutters on him.
Yeah. Let's go back and look at this arrow over here. We'll go back to the stuff.
Hey, that Matthews don't play, does it?
No, sir.
Clean pass through.
No, sir. It blew through that hog like it was nothing.
and it jumped right over here and started leaking. Obviously, we know where it's at.
Right.
Yeah, man, this blood trail is going to be serious. I'll let you go that way, old boy.
Mm.
Leaking, boy.
Mm.
Leaking.
You got to have that to survive.
Look at this. I told you he was spewing, bro.
Yeah, I mean, you talking about hogs, you know, I think deer typically go a little farther from what I've seen, but on a hog for them to only go, you
I
know,
don't know,
40,
bro.
50 yards. Smoked him.
Smoke. Look at this exit right here with that.
Mm.
The opposite shoulder on a hog.
I was doing it right there, old boy.
Yeah, that's how you do it. You get in there, smack two down like that,
Yep.
and get out, son.
Let's call old boy and get out of here.
Yeah, let's get him to come around with the ranger, pick us up.
There's the cavalry. He's gonna run over my hog if he stays on that line. How about it, old boy?
Oh, stacking them, son, stacking them. It's hard work. So what you thinking?
I lucked out that rain.
Oh yeah, that
Well,
rain
it
was
happened.
perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The way it freaking happened, it got
Well, they came in the first time and it was raining good, and then as soon as that rain stopped, they come on right. But they went down there and meandered around and then came back up, and they were spread out enough we could get a shot then.
I think I looked over here. There's a couple of them up there on top of the hill, and I went up.
And that's where they came from. They come running straight down the thing out there.
Yeah.
Well, there you have it, folks. We got 2 hogs down. We still got plenty of daylight out. Billy's gonna get to skinning them. We're probably gonna help him a little bit so we can get out of here, and then we're headed back to Gainesville. We already about loaded up and ready to go. We'll see y'all in the next one.